you later. Wanna come with me?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, Sister Maybell. Hi.
Hi. Oh, Ate Nicole, it's Sister Noemi.
Oh,
one small world. We have to go.
Yeah, we have an English class.
Oh, me too. I have a class.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, what's up?
I have a news for you.
Hi. What's that?
What are you talking about? Can I join?
Sure.
As I was saying, Anna and Mark broke up because of a third party.
Oh, really? I like that. How ahead of that?
Oh, what will I do this summer vacation?
Rachel! Hey, Rachel, you're dating again.
Hey, what about this summer? What are your plans? Let's get together after class at Becca's place and let's talk about it. Welcome back to Reality Dream Girl. Now, sit down before I give you an F for your vacation. Sorry, Miss Carmen. Anyway, as I was saying about your report, I want them on my desk this afternoon. Besides, it will be your summer vacation, so I suggest you pass them earlier. That's your last requirement.
Oh, what's that?
Okay? See you when I see you. You're dismissed.
Hey, Mom.
Bye.